She mailed 12.92 gram means the basic weight, I mean the weight for the basic postage is 7.5. How to find the comparison? How you will do if you want to find the comparison? Wei Feng. 12.92 minus the 7.5 gram. So then only you know how much heavier the letter. Understand? So what is the answer? Wei Feng, what is the answer? Wei Feng, what is the answer? 12.92 minus 7.5 is equals to any volunteer, just give me the answer. What is the answer, class? 12.92 minus 7.5 is equals to
5.42.
very good. 5.42. So 5.42 gram heavier than the weight covered by the basic postage. Okay, good. Number 3. Any volunteer?
I want to try.
Me, teacher, me.
Daniel, hold on. Hold on. Okay, Sheng Wei.
What is the post technique of the letter that is 37.5 gram? 37.5 minus 7.5. The answer is 30. So 30 divided by 10, the answer is 3. And 3 times 0.87 is equals to 2.61. And 1.25 plus 2.61 is
And the answer is
3.8.
okay. Wait, let me type one by one so that others can see. Okay, what is the postage needed for a letter that is 37.5 gram? Okay, so the 37.5 gram, you can minus it with 7.5. What was your answer just now?
13.
30 gram. Okay, wait, let me type one by one. 30 gram. Very good.
Then 13 gram divided by 10.
You should get 3 over
3.
1 is equals to 3. Right? Okay,
Then 3 minus by 0.87.
minus not multiply me. Times 0.87 multiplied by 3 is equals to
2.61.
2.61. And then what you need to do?
Add together.
Add together 1.25. Add together with 0.87. You should get $3.86. Good. What is the postage needed for a letter that is 37.5 gram? 37.5 gram. You have to minus it with 7.5 gram. So you will get a 30 gram. 30 gram means every 10 gram you need 0.87, right? So you have to divide it into 10. So you will get 3 times. You have to multiply with 0.87. And then 0.87, you can plus it with 1.25. Understand or not, class? Who still don't understand? Understand? Okay, since this is a total 37.5 gram, they said for the first 7.5 gram, you have to pay 1.25, correct? If from 37.75, we minus the 7.5, we will get balance 30 gram more, right? But the second statement, they say for every 10 gram, they charge you 0.87, right? After 7.5 gram. So you have 310 there. One time 10, second time 10, and third time 10 after you multiply it. So that 3 you have to multiply with 0.87. Can you all see here? Extra postage is 87 cents for every 10 grams. And then teacher added up with 1.25 just now. The 1.25 is the cost for 7.5. So you add it up, you will get the total postage unit for the 35.5 gram, which is $3.86. Understand or not? Class, understand or not?
Understand, teacher.
Okay, good. Okay, Daniel.
Understand.
Okay, Daniel, you said you want to try. Thank you, Shengwei. Daniel, you said you want to try question number 4, right? Let's try.
Teacher.
Yes, let's try.
Okay. On average, the police officer processes 45.6 letters
Police
every hour.
office
How many
processes.
letters?
Oh, hey, what office is that?
The post office. How many letters can the office process during the 9 hours it's open?
Okay,
45.6 times 9.
45.6 times 9 hours. So you will get the letters that they can post for, during the 9 hours. So what is your answer?
410.4 letters.
Very good. 410.4 letters they can process. The post office can process 410.4 letters during the 9 hours it is open. Okay, question number 5. Any volunteer? Sheng-an, do you want to try?
Okay, teacher. During Christmas, the post office open 12 hours a day. Compared to usual day, how many more letters can the post office process? 12 minus 9 equals to 3. 45.6 times 3 equals to 136.8.
Okay, while compared to the usual day, yes, it's opening for 9 hours, right? So you can multiply with 45.6, but this one is open for 12 hours. So 12 hours, you can minus it with 9 hours. So you should get 3 hours. Okay, so 3 hours, you can multiply it with 45.6. What is your answer just now?
136.9.8.
8. Okay, so they can process extra. This one is the extra 136.8 letters. Okay, thank you, Shukran. Number 6, Chayangi, read the question, the last question, and then we can move on to the second worksheet. The third worksheet. Read the question. Read the question first. Faster, huh?
Kim works on a 6-hour shift today. He has 2 bags of mail that he needs to deliver today. One is 24.52 kilograms and the other one is 18.8 kilogram. What is the total weight of the 2 bags of mail? Um, 24.52 plus 18.8.
Why? Why? Hello, tell now. Why you want to plus this both?
Plus
Okay, even though they already mentioned there are 2 bags of mail that he needs to be and needs to deliver, right? So they already mentioned the weight there. The first bag is 24.52 kilograms and the second one is 18.8 kilograms. So very simple. They asked the total weight of the 2 bags of mail. So what is your answer, Chia? I'm just asking you, confusing you. What is the answer?
43.32.
43.32 kilogram. Very good. Any question? Any question? No. Okay. Now worksheet number 3. Can you all see my screen? Any volunteer?
Yes, teacher, can see.
Question number 1. Any volunteer?
Teacher, me, teacher. Me, teacher. At a customer service center, a short call is defined as any call that is shorter than 5.5 minutes. The average call time on weekdays is 6.4 minutes. The average call time on weekends is 9.38 minutes.
Okay then.
What is the difference between the average call time on the weekdays and weekends? 9.38 minus 6.4.
9.38
9.38 minus 6.4.
6.4. So how many minutes? What is the difference?
3.08.
9.38 minus 6.4. Hello, wrong. Booking is correct, 9.32 minus 6.4. But what is the answer? Nine point
2.98.
2.98 minutes. Very good. How about the rest? Can understand or not? Okay, number 2. Any volunteer? Number 2.
Me, teacher.
Cannot. Herman can.
On a particular call, the customer spoke to one representative for 2.4 minutes and then was transferred to a manager for another 2.9 minutes. Is this a short call?
Is this called a
2.4.
short call?
Is this called a short call?
Okay, then
2.4 plus 2.9 equals 5.3.
2.4 plus 2.9 is equals to
5.3.
5.3. Then 5.3 minutes. Then they said a short call is defined as any call that is shorter than 5.5 minutes, but they talked for 5.3 minutes. Is this call a short call? Yes or no?
Yes.
Why? Because
It's smaller.
yes, 5.3 is lesser than 5.5 minutes, right? So of course you can say this is a short call. Just say yes lah. This call is a short call. Understand? Come on. Come on. Understand or not?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Thank you. So you class both and then you will get 5.3, but it's still less than the short call. They already gave the definition, right? So yes, this call is a short call. Number 3, any volunteer who haven't tried yet? Josephine, can you try question number 3? Josephine, can you try? Angiwan, you may try. You can type out in the chat box.
Me.
Right, Daniel, wait, let her type. This is the last questions because we need to end the call at 12. So Angiwan, you may try this, type your answer in chat box. Is she in the call? Oh, she's not in the call.
Teacher, can I do number 4?
Number 4. No, number 4 cannot. Number 3 can. And not enough of time. So you can try number 3.
If a call received on Sunday is 12.54 minutes longer than the average time, how long is that call?
You can refer the passage here.
9.38 at 12.54
9.38
at 12.54.
at
Yeah.
9.38 minutes. You add on with 12.54 minutes. So what is the answer? Sorry. Hey, sorry, my minutes is mistake. Spelling mistake. Okay. What is your answer? How many minutes long?
21.83 minutes long.
21.83 minutes. Okay. Done?
Yes, teacher.
9.38, you have to plus with 12.45, so you should get 21.83. Okay, done. Any question, class?
No, teacher.